Welcome back. This is fourth video of section 2. In previous video we created this script in PHP for displaying the results in the browser. Now in this video we need to validate it. Here is the search engine that we created. If someone writes something like SEO tips or beauty tips or anything, search now, so the result is displayed on the next page. But here I wanted to let you know that if someone, without entering any word, if someone clicks this search now button, still the result is being displayed. So I don't want that. I want to add a validation over here, and that validation we will add after the get value variable, the local variable. We would say that if get $get value local variable is equal to nothing, you just add two equal signs, equal operators over here, because a single equal operator adds a value to a local variable. You can take this example. So whenever you are comparing something, so you need to add double equals, and after that single quotes, or you can use double quotes, but I use single quotes most of the times. This means nothing, no value. So if this is the case, someone has not written anything, then we will, in the if condition, we will run an argument, or you can say expression, that echo double quotes and semicolon, the line has completed. Now center tag of HTML, the text will be centered aligned. You can use HTML tags inside any PHP echo statement. In the B as well, the B tag, that the text will be a little bit bold. We are saying please go back and write something in the search box. Control S to save. Now come back to this page, refresh it, and search now. Click search now. It has written here that please go back and write something in the search box, but the result is also coming over here. This is because we need to stop this script over here below the echo statement. We have not stopped it, and all of the code is executed itself. So we need to add an exact command, which is a default command in PHP, and stops the rest of the codes to be executed. So after that, Control S to save. Now go back without entering anything, just click search now. So it is saying please go back and write something in the search box, but the rest of the page or the PHP code is not executed over here. Okay, so another thing is that if someone writes a keyword that is not in our database or is not inside the table from where we are displaying the results, so we can validate that thing over here after the result and the MySQL query has been run. So after that we can take this as an example. For example, if MySQL underscore number number rows of this query, which is inside the local variable run result, as less than 1, then what we are expressing, or we are saying over here, we will just copy this whole code from here above if statement and we'll paste it here. Now we will just write something inside the text. We will remove this existing text and say oops, sorry, nothing was found in the database. That's it. Control S to save from keyboard. Now go back. Whenever you will write something like SEO tips and click, so this is the result you are seeing on the page. This is basically a search engine, and if you write beauty tips, which we also have some post or some websites related to beauty tips. You can see beauty tips with some post over here with all the data. Beauty tips, you will search now, you will be displayed the result of beauty tips. You can see. Now if you write something that we don't have in our database or in our table, like I say Lady Gaga, we don't have this Lady Gaga or any post or any keyword related to Lady Gaga, so that's why this code should be run. This code, like, sorry, we don't have anything to show. Search now, and here you are saying that oops, sorry, nothing was found in the database. So that's it, very simple. We have validated the script a little bit, and now the extra executions will not take place. So in the next video I am coming back, which will be the last video of this section, in which I will be telling you that how you can insert more data and display more data. So stay tuned.